Hey guys, we are on to our fifth product research method, and this method is going to be searching products from bestsellers, new releases, hot products. So firstly you have to go to Google and search Amazon.com bestsellers. Then you have to click on the first link here. As you can see, the page pops up, and you can choose from this any one of the category, like for example, let's go to baby products. You can go deeper and deeper on this sub niche category inside this. So let's go to baby care. You can go even more deeper. Let's see here. As you can see, you can generate product idea from this method also. So as you can see, here is a product with low review. You can search this product on Amazon and run jungle scout on this product page. So keep searching and you will find a good product to sell on. I'm just showing you the method. As you can see, you can get literally thousands of product idea from this product research method. Like here is another one, this switches soother pacifier. This bundle item can also be a great example, guys. Let me show you in another product category. So let's go back to any department and let's choose what shall we choose? Let's go to home and kitchen. Let's choose from one of this. Let's choose home decor. As you can see, this can be a great method to generate product idea, guys. So guys, I can go literally on and on this research method. So let me show you another method. Let's go back to any department, and you can check from movers and shakers, also new releases, also most wished for also. Let's go to new releases. You can search from the same method that I showed you guys. So let's go to Porcelain and Garden. You can see, guys, you can literally generate thousands of product idea from these methods also. So you can give this method a try. As you can see, is low review, this mosquito killer and something. As you can see, this can also be a great product. It has 136 reviews only. This can be a great product. This solar fountain. This garden hose can also be a great product. This bat trapper. This what is this? This solar fountain. Hammock. Little bit low review, guys. You can search this type of product on Amazon and run jungle scout on the product. And this inflatable swimming pool, and bird feeder. Give this a try, guys. So another way to generate product idea is from going back to any department and search for Amazon basics. Guys, these are the products that Amazon itself are selling on their website. Guys, you can literally compete with Amazon, but you can get a product idea on what they are selling and what's selling best on their website. So guys, you can check this out. Use this product method to research the product, guys. So guys, lastly I will give you one bonus product research method, and that will be going to any keyword research tool, like for example keyword tool, as it's free. You can go to Merchant Watch also, but I'm just showing you an example, guys. And keyword tool for Amazon. As you can see, guys, I have opened this website, keyword tool, and here you can search what's trending. You can search on YouTube, Bing, eBay, Instagram, Twitter. So you have to go here on this search bar, and you can type anything from here, like Amazon's devices, Amazon video, Amazon appliances, apps and games. Let's choose baby product, and let's type any random word, just like baby, and hit the search button. As you can see, guys, a bunch of keywords pops up, and these are the exact products that people are searching in Amazon to buy, and this has the highest demand. So for example, baby boy clothes, baby proofing, baby nail clippers, baby bottle, baby towel, baby lotion, baby bathtub, essentials for newborn, baby monitor, hello boy, baby walker for tall baby. So guys, this also can be a great way to generate product ideas for your Amazon business, guys. So I'm just showing you example, and you can search from this way also and generate thousands of product ideas, guys. So guys, hope you will get your next product from any one of these product research idea that I've shown you.